Hello children, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you chapter 11 in English grammar and the topic is conjunctions. Children, first of all I would like to tell you about conjunction. What is conjunction? Children, conjunction is a word that joins two words or sentences. Conjunction is a word that joins two words or sentences. You can clear it with the given examples. Examples 1. Anil's father came home. Anil's father came home. Next sentence, he took us to cinema. Then you have to add the two sentences together using conjunctions. For this, you have to select suitable conjunctions. Anil's father came home and took us to cinema. Anil's father came home and took us to cinema. Here, he is not important. Then, it depends upon you where in next sentence subject is not required, not necessary, that is not written after adding the two sentences. You can clear it with the given examples. Anil's father came home and took us to cinema. Here, he is not required. So, he is not written here. Next example, it rained heavily. We enjoyed the trip. It rained heavily. That means it was a difficult situation, and after all of that, we enjoyed the trip. So, in that condition, we apply but conjunctions. It rained heavily, but we enjoyed the trip. Here, we is required, it is necessary to put here, so we is written over here. Next example, Samir worked hard. He wanted to pass the selection test. Samir worked hard because he wanted to pass the selection test. Here, because is used to join two sentences. Next example, Mahesh screamed badly. He strained his voice. Mahesh screamed badly, so he strained his voice. It is clear to you all? Like this, you have to join two words or sentences. And you have to write the subject of the next sentence where it is necessary to write. Otherwise, it is not necessary, then you cannot write it. And one thing more, I want to make it clear that if a sentence ends, the next sentence starts with capital letter. Here, supposing here he is written in capital letter, but here he is written in a small letter because the both sentences join together. That's why he is written in a small letter. And where in this sentence he is not necessary to put here, so he is not written there. Okay, child? Next. Next example. Varun can read long stories. First sentence. Second sentence, he started school only a year ago. Here is contradiction after all. Varun can read long stories, though he started school only a year ago. Then it depends upon you where you have to write and where you have to write, because where you have to use as, where you have to use the. In some sentences, conjunction are used in the first, like that. It is a public holiday. It is a public holiday. First sentence. Second, there is less traffic on the road. You have to join the both sentences together using conjunctions. As it is a public holiday, you apply comma. There is less traffic on the road. Here you have to write there in with a small letter. Okay? Thank you, children. Have a nice day. You have to complete all the given works in your book or copy. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.